What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. And it is much freaking nicer outside today, so that's a pleasant change. My goal for today, I like setting goals and then not accomplishing them. Although I kind of accomplished yesterday's goal, which was to get the rust repaired. I just didn't finish it because obviously it needs more work. But both quarter panels have to be smooth and done, right? Intended delete in this dent and the bottom thing that I did yesterday that I'm not bending over to show right now. I'll do it in a second. So both quarter panels, this, probably do a once over on the bumper. And that's it. That's it. The front of the car is officially done. Like the hood is mint, like perfect. Perfectly freaking smooth. Super happy with that, with the way that came out. So bumper's done, hood's done, door's done, roof's done, other side's done. Literally all I have to worry about, besides obviously rolling the front fenders, but that's a different, that's, you know, I'm still doing that before paint, but it's not like body work, unless it turns into body work, which it very well could. Those are my goals. I want to finish all that shit. It's actually a lot nicer today, so yeah. It's still warm, but it's not as humid, so that's a welcome change for me. My fucking guy is here, dude. Yo, give it a Gorgon. Big one. It's all good. But yeah, you guys know. I'm not really gonna film shit else until I start doing that. I'll just hit you guys with time lapse. Alright, so what I've gotten done so far, alright? I did one layer on that. This coat I just tried to go on a little harder with. I don't know how much I succeeded with that because I keep putting a little bit too much Bond or too much hardener in and stuff dries up quick, but I mean I guess that's good because I can sand it quicker. But that's a second coat on there that I've done today. Same with this side, second coat. I think this might be the last coat for this side. Down there, I think that's going to be the last coat for it. I figured out that the side skirt actually wasn't pushing all the way in because of these clips. The clips were still like in the car, and when I was trying to push it up towards it, it wasn't going on there. But now you can see it's doing pretty good. Probably add a little bit more over here. That's about it though. But yeah, so that's good. Intended delete, officially done, perfectly flat. That dent that one of you guys pointed out, perfectly flat. That one, flat, perfectly everything. Everything is perfectly everything. Alright. Well, now, I guess the last things I have to do are the quarter panels and the rear. Now that officially every dent, not bodywork part, but every dent on either side of the car, every dent or scratch is now completely fixed. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll count that. 8, 9, and that was it. This was the only actual dent on this side. If you want to count the sunroof, sure. Why not? This is shit fucking primer, dude. It's like cracking. Alright. I guess I'm not gonna use that primer on anything other than, see, on the hood it's fine, but right here it got fucked up for some reason. It's all cracked. I don't know. Can you guys tell me why that is? I used the same spot putty here as I did on the hood, but on the hood you can see it's dead mint. Like, there's no cracking whatsoever. But over here we have cracking, and that's not because of that. That's just other shit. There's even a little bit over here. That's weird. Huh. Maybe I'll have to spray a different primer over this stuff. I have been busting ass on this the last however many videos I've made friggin' sanding this thing. This shit takes a long time. So, again, thank you to each and every one of you that is being supportive over the Prelude build. I get it. You guys want to see the Z. You guys want to see this and that. But you got to understand, I don't want to bust ass on a car that I'm going to drive twice a month at an event. I'd rather bust ass on a car that I can do what I enjoy, which is cruising around, go to car shows, go to meets, just drive it around aimlessly with Callie. Like, I like doing that kind of shit. So this is my main priority because the season is upon us and I enjoy having a nice car that I can cruise around in. So hope that answers any questions about the Z. It will get finished, it will get done, but all my time, resources, money, whatever it is going straight into this thing because that is my #1 thing of utmost importance. I can't stress that enough. So yes, the Z will get done. No, it will not be right now. This thing's getting done soon. Alright, well, the entire back is sanded and smooth. Obviously it's 80 grit smooth, so everything is 80 grit smooth. Yeah, so finishing that up. That's the absolute last coat on that. As you can see, it's looking a whole lot more straight. This side's all good. I basically have the car to the point where that side needs to be sanded and get the initial smoothing out, and then the rough bodywork will be done. And then after that, everything pretty much just needs like to go up in the grits and the sandpaper, maybe spot putty for pinholes and stuff. But other than that, everything's looking pretty damn good. Needs to be friggin', there's no clip down here, it's just like the outward clips, but hell yeah, dude. Oh, that looks so mint. Alright, that was a lot of friggin' work. Look at that line, dude. Look at that freaking line. Like, look at it parallel to the side skirt. Oh, it's so mint. Alright, guys. So, I forgot. I'll be right back. Alright, now, I had to finish this corner. Jamie right here. But, now, the car is officially in what I like to call, by the way, I'm using the tripod as like a friggin' Joby. It's like extra extendo, that's why it's so far away, but, yeah, the car is in what I like to call rough complete bodywork. So what I mean by that, if I haven't explained enough, is basically all of the giant big areas that need to be worked are worked. Every dent is filled, every scratch is flattened, but it's still just an 80 grit. Like, there's some spots here and there like that's smooth. Like, there's a couple spots where like I could paint right now and it'd be fine. But what I generally like to do is I'll go from 80 to 120 to 220 to 400, I believe. And 400 is usually what I'll primer over. So that's what I'm gonna have to do with the whole car. And yeah, because if you don't do that, basically your paint is only as strong adhesive wise as the layer below it. So just make sure that your paint, if you're just painting over your car, that your paint is good. If it's factory paint, you're fine. If it's been resprayed, I would check it. So this has been obviously resprayed, but the paint actually seems super durable, so I guess we'll see what we do with that. But yeah, so there you go. I'm really hype on that. It looks really freaking good. Side skirt's all on. It still needs the clips underneath it. There's like 3 clips underneath it that I just took off, but all the side clips are on. It looks pretty damn good. You see the body line continued. Looks pretty damn decent. So with that being said, I know that was a lot of freaking talk in this video. Again, thank you oh so much to the people that care about this stuff. For anyone else who's watching this and you hate me and you're just like, when is he doing this, when is he doing that, I hope that little rant about the Z kind of like cleared it up for you guys. No, I'm not giving up on the Z. Yes, I'm going to keep working on it, but what I truly enjoy is just having a car that I can cruise around in, a nice daily, you know, it's summer, fall, like I enjoy driving. I enjoy just going out by myself sometimes and just driving around. That's what I used to do with my other car. That's what I used to do with the Z when it was registered. It's a good time, you know, so that's why I'm putting so much effort and time and money into this car and pretty much nothing, actually nothing, into the Z right now. Again, huge shout out to everyone that enjoys this kind of content, and link in the description. It's the last like 4 days. This website's weird. It runs like campaigns or whatever, so it's the last 4 days to buy the shirt. Link will be in the description. I'll put it on the screen right now. Last 4 days, I believe, when this gets uploaded, it'll be 4 days that you guys have to buy the shirt. So again, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Peace out.